Hi, Shalu.
Hi, Shalu.
For your birthday. For your birthday.
He's not.
No. We love you so much. Say it. We love you so much. That for your birthday. We made a cake. We made a cake and ate it too. It was yummy. Happy birthday, Shalu.
But we need to talk to her.
You talk to her on the phone.
Talk to her right now. Talk to her right now.
But I can't hear her.
I know.
Yeah.
That's a valid question. Revu, say something to Shalu. Shalu's listening. If you say something, she'll say it back. She'll talk to you back. What do you want to say? Look up. Amadu. Reves.